Gaucho. This is the main buffet. This is where I'll be coming for breakfast and lunch. This is Helios, one of the 2 a la carte restaurants at TRS Ibiza. And your artwork in Helios, all the blue tiles, it's quite funky. The other a la carte restaurant, Gaucho, the steak restaurant.
You, sir?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice cigar.
Is the bottle for you?
Wow.
We're gonna have some ice cream ourselves. We're gonna finish it with beauty sauce too. And we're gonna have some meat powder just on top. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Thank you very much. Food truck, highly recommended. Hot dogs are amazing, as are the burgers. Plenty of sunbeds on the beach if you want to hire them. If you want to pick up a taxi to go anywhere in Ibiza, come out of the hotel, turn right, just lined up waiting to take you wherever you want to go. Today we're going for a look at the Aquarium. It's a couple of minute walk from the TRS hotel. Come out of the hotel, turn right, cross this road that we're approaching, down this little alleyway to the beach front. The aquarium's 250 metres. €7 adults, €5 children. Mind you ahead, this cave's quite low, so once you've come through to the main area, you don't have to duck down anymore. That was a cool little thing to do. It was advertised €7, but they just charged us €5 each. Didn't take long at all. It was about 70-foot cave. You just walk in one way and turn back on yourself. Various species of fish. An 18-minute stroll from the TRS along the seafront brings you to Cafe Mambo, and just beyond that, Cafe Del Mar. Just beyond Cafe Del Mar is Space. Lots of restaurants in San Antonio, just off the harbour. Just over to the right there's a Slingshot, just next to Paradis. Plenty of excursions. Gonna go out on the Mediterranean. Sun's just about setting in Ibiza. Lots of people out enjoying the moment. And boats enjoying the sunset. There's Cafe Mambo, Cafe Del Mar, people on the rocks out front. Club Bamboo.
yo me voy contigo, y cogí lo que yo me